Right, in this activity we're going to take two equations, and they are 3x plus 2y equals 12, so that's your first equation, and the other equation is 5x plus 1y equals 13. Now we make these matrices, we take the numbers from 3, 2, 5 and 1, and our variables are x and y, and it's going to equal the column matrix 12, 13. Now what we need to do is come up with the inverse of this matrix here. Now if A is 3, 2, 5, 1, then the inverse matrix is 1 over the determinant. We swap A and D over, and we change B and C from positive to negative or negative to positive. So the determinant is AD minus BC, which is 3 times 1 minus 2 times 5. So that's negative 7. Alright, so our determinant is going to be 1 over negative 7. We swap A and D over, and we change 2 into a negative 2 and 5 into a negative 5. Okay, that's the inverse of A. So now we put this in front of the left and in front of the right. So we're going to put this 1, negative 5, negative 2, 3. That's the inverse of A. We put that in front of A, 3, 2, 5, 1. If you multiply these three together, you should get the identity matrix. Now we put this in front of the left-hand side, the inverse 1, negative 2, negative 5, 3. And we put this in front of 12, 13. Okay. Now, when you multiply these two, you will get the identity matrix. You can try that. And when you multiply these three, you will get the answer. So I'm just going to leave negative 1 over 7 and multiply. And I'll just highlight 1 times 1 plus negative 2 times, get it right, hang on, 1 times 12, it's not a 1, it's 1 times 12 plus negative 2 times 13. That's better. And now I'll change the sign, I'll change the color. Now the second row is negative 5 times 12, so that's negative 60, plus 3 times 13, which is 39. Okay, so we got negative 1 over 7 of 12 and negative 26 is negative 14. Negative 60 and 39 is negative 21. When we multiply both of these by negative a seventh, we get positive 2 and we get positive 3. Therefore, our solution, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is the formula for inverse. It does have a determinant when AD minus BC doesn't equal 1. You've got to include it. All right, stay happy.